How to open a Wells Fargo bank account. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video of this channel. If you're trying to open an account of Wells Fargo, then in this video let me show you how it's done. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. Let's head over to the website of Wells Fargo, search for wellsfargo.com on any of the web browser that you use. Now once you land on the website of Wells Fargo, you can see these are the accounts that you can create. There are different types of accounts that Wells Fargo provides, such as checkings, savings, credit card account, and many other accounts as you can see. Pick the one that you want to create. For now I'm going to click on savings. Either way, you'll need to click on view all accounts. As you can see, it shows on all of these accounts. Click on view all and it's going to show you all of the accounts that they provide. You can also take a look at the details and the benefits of owning these accounts. Once you find the account that you want, click on open now and you'll just need to fill in the details that are asked. Every account may have different instructions and different details that you may need to fill in. You just need to fill in the exact details that are asked. So these are the things that you need to create an account: your social security number or your tax ID number, your valid ID, which may be your driver's license, state ID, or your matricular card. And lastly, you'll need to deposit a minimum of $25 to start and create an account of Wells Fargo. Now this amount may be different depending upon which type of account you choose. If you scroll down further for a savings account, you can see it says to enter in the zip code. Select the type of account that you want to create, and if you already have an online banking of Wells Fargo, click on yes. If no, click no. Scroll down and click on continue. In the next section, as you can see, these are the details that you need to fill in. Firstly, it's going to ask you to type in your information. So fill in these details such as your name, your taxpayer ID or your social security number, your ID type, your date of birth, and a few other details. So make sure you enter in these details correctly. And similarly, you can click on continue, and in the next few steps you'll also need to fill in those details. And once you do, your bank account will be successfully created of Wells Fargo. So that's the process of creating a bank account of Wells Fargo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.